All right, let me see. Are you there? You can go ahead. Yes. But the initial video ended. All right. Let me see. Hello?
Hello?
You can go ahead now.
Okay, ihe mụnwa na-ekwu onwu na-abịa na ihe na-eme ihe anyị nwawu ndị Igbo affect or ime Peter Obi affect na this presidential election na our eastern region will only IPOB problem. Because onye ọbụla nwe onye Igbo nwe onye Biafra. Mana ọnwụ na-echebe ya like that, anyị enwetenwe ihe anyị chọrọ.
Are we transmitting? I'm not seeing it. But not here. Sorry for the break in transmission. There is so many errors. The errors are much. They are much, and I can show you next time. Can you start afresh? I am having some technical issues.
Really bad,
it's bad. You can continue. Continue.
Okay. So ihe mụnwa na-ekwu owu na abịa na ihe niile na-azọ this presidential election, ọnwụ naanị Peter Obi wụ as a qualified and eligible candidate. Yes, because na eziokwu na Peter Obi aghachime na this Nigeria ka ọ ghọọ ihe dịka Singapore under 8 years. But chances na ọ ga-emegodo a lot of amendments na ọ banye na that position. A lot of amendments and the development in our country. Things they were able to. Ihe na Peter Obi anya as in na Eastern region a way check na vote here only IPOB. Because now
sister, you know that IPOB were right to their opinion. If I was saying now, you because any they put to vote for Peter Obi. Oh, because I was saying now, you can't argue. The more if you argue with them, then you don't want Peter Obi to be president because we need everybody to support Peter Obi. One man, one vote.
We are discussing this now. Peter Obi win this election. The truth of the matter is that Martin Nande Kanu will be inside more than they required, more than they expected. You see this presidential election of 18, there is purpose for federal government to do what? Holding Nande Kanu inside. Okwaga channel lawyer me ihe niile. Kedu ihe mere na federal government achọghị release Nande Kanu? And the IPOB eche na ndị Igbo tụrụ n'isi kama anya wee fi ya gbanahụ m ka m biri ya ọdụ. Ọ bụrụ na everybody anyị nwe Igbo wụ Biafra. But this journey abụrụ ordinary journey. Is a strong and hardcore journey. Understand? So all the IPOB because it's in fact only help us na every bona fide Biafra will stand for Peter Obi. If not for anything, Nnamdi Kanu apụtagodu na Peter Obi banye. This is 100% sure. Peter Obi rụrụ there. Freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is 100% na Peter Obi banye n'ọchịchị. But my Peter Obi abanyeho, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will stay there more than
brother, a sister, like I say, sister from Malaysia. Everybody, that is the democracy we are talking about. People to their view or opinion. The only thing we can do, we should do, is to appeal to our brothers and sisters, no matter the differences. And we are tired of dying for politicians. People went to went to protect their ballot and votes, and they were killed. And that particular politician or politicians they died for never ever remembered, or at least build a road or put running water. So when people are grieved in terms of election, you should understand what we should do is to appeal to our brothers. You don't criticize them. We need them. We need all of them. And the only way we could succeed is to have talks. We have negotiation and we tell ourselves, okay, let's try P2B. If it doesn't work, you try to tell them the benefits, the needs for P2B is emergent. But coming to go direct on them, I feel is wrong. You don't put anybody out of his or her house.
Okay, that's the benefits that I'm. The benefits you now when a P2B banyete. Mantin na de kano 100% responsibility no ga put go do sure no ga put. Nobody any other thing he will be out. But my P2B win ho. Atiku cannot release Mantin na de kano. Tinubu is not going to release him. In their own brain and change their mindset and narrative.
Thank you very much.
This imagine now the kind of is, and then you try from this hardcore IPOP come to our presidential election. Peter Obi is the best in everything. Peter Obi will change a lot of things in this country, Nigeria. Yes, na Omanjicha 8 years. We made everything, but again, with solid foundation, that things will change. Children's school, in Nigeria, there is no value for education.
Yes.
In your China, a bus driver, a graduate will start frying at a roadside, selling petty business to survive. Or we have let's put someone that have something, that have this kind of, as in the value of this education and the youth, futures of tomorrow.
Thank you very much. And I hope our people will listen. Thank you very much from Malaysia. Thank you very, very much. She wants Igbo people to rally behind Mazi P2B, the former governor of Anambra State. She believes that P2B is going to improve things, which I believe too. And for P2B to be president, we need to give P2B maximum support. And you don't force people to do that. You appeal to them. You plead with them to do that. Caller from Germany, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, brother.
Good evening, brother. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. And thank you for picking up my
Thank
call.
you.
And first of all, I want to appreciate you.
Thank you.
All the time, I have a special joy in my heart that, you know, I'm with somebody like you.
Thank you.
You know, so thank you very much for your job, for your good work, everything in MA for humanity.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So come to this your topic today, my brother. The real truth. The real truth now, how can P2B get to that position?
Yes.
That the most important thing. I have to the P2B game. Yes, now the most qualified among all of them. So yes, people believe in him. Nigerians believe in him. Yeah. When you watch the rallies, everything. But at the same time, you watch a flag of a Konkoso, you see the crowd. You know that only Kanu and Kaduna are covered the whole southeast.
I am worried, brother. I am very much worried.
So our people are there, man. We don't know all these things. We need to calculate. I want to calculate only Northwest alone, not 20-something thousand. Why I want 11, 12,000? So to 20-something million, sorry. When I want 11, 12 million, you know, registered. Create honest, I'm not saying it to discourage anybody. Anybody when you came up with let us not have it in mind that P2B will win this election. Let not just have it in mind.
We hope he wins. We hope he wins. Where in Germany are you calling from?
I'm calling from Dusseldorf.
Dusseldorf, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. We are hoping that Peter Obi emerges the winner, but he's saying that we shouldn't say that nothing will happen. We need to be prepared, and the only way we could be prepared if Igbo people come together and say that they want the emergence of Peter Obi. My brother from Thailand, good evening. Caller from Thailand, good evening. Move away from your listening device. Caller from Thailand, you are not paying attention. Once you call and we answer, you need to quickly turn down the volume of your listening device or you run away. Caller on the phone, good evening. Are you there? Caller on the phone, good evening.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, brother. Where are you calling from?
Okay, so I'm calling from Osaka in Enugu, sir.
All right, thank you. Go ahead. No, you are not paying attention. Let's go to Australia and see. Caller from Australia, good evening.
Yeah, OKWULUORA.
Good evening.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
Okay. Oh, I just woke up. Now I watch your program. Okay, OKWULUORA, thank you very much for this program and thank you very much for Ihine.
Thank you very much.
May God bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm a little bit. So one thing I'm not sure, ihe nnakwu banyere ihe a wụ biko ndị Igbo. Go, if you know see Igbo man, nwanne gị bọcha, okosi na ndị Igbo nwere ebumwe. So ana m ayọ ndị Igbo niile. At least don't have only by default.
No, network is very poor and I'm not enjoying it. Oh, the network is very, very poor. I'll go to the phone for the last time and I'm going to come back another day. So we'll have enough time to rectify this network issue. Let me go to Germany and it's going to be the last time I will go to the phone. We need to work on this network. It's very important. So we'll be very clear. My brother from Germany, the last caller today. Good evening. Odemawande, thank you very much.
Okay. I was even hoping to call it
Yes.
Some things here. Maybe because of your family background, you already decide your future. Who does such thing in this time of the world? Your background doesn't determine what you will be in future. Okay, people give you up and Peter Obi and win. And I'll tell you get win. Now, campaign election it depends on what you present to the people. People they presenting to Deutsche Bank present. And you presenting guy, there is in guy president. I didn't negotiate even in as it stands, Tinubu, of course, when you win Southwest, which is his own base, people be likely to win South, South, and Southeast, and the Middle Belt as it stands now. Then here for Northeast and Northwest. Can you hear present these people? You say most of the not I only have hatch and go on again. It's not Northwest and Northeast. I'm already hatching go on your back with here. All the anybody, how do we convince these people on island who or not people be deserve the back? Everybody hang online. For the sake of freedom, can't you go? You didn't freedom all. For the sake of reason, from like reason like the kind of one. Here we go doing it. Before you play it, you have to be there before you play anything. If you open this in that, you go doing it. You are never. If you wait so quick. Onye nke ba ho Rodriguez ị na-enye freedom onye nke nọ n'ebe ahụ ife ị na-eju okwu ya wee Rodriguez
Oh, the network is very poor. It is extremely poor. Maybe because in Minnesota, so I'm going to round up. I am going to round up. Where are you watching from? Write at the comment section, and if I can see your comment at this point, I'm going to mention you and thank you for joining and continuing to stay despite the horrible network had to deal with today. It was a good one, but the network is not allowing the flow. It is making everything look bad. You live in Nigeria, everything is difficult. Light is not there, road is not there, electricity is not there, internet connectivity is terrible, human development zero, governmental public infrastructures are not there. Living, they are moving to USA, to Canada, to UK to go and establish themselves. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Absolutely nothing. I am going to leave you, and we are going to do everything humanly possible to improve the standard. Everything here is fine. Everything here is amazing. Everything is shining, shimmering. Everything here is splendid, except the network. And Igbo people need to come together is a fact. They need to say what they want as a people. Igbo people need to sit together. What do you really want as a people? You go for one thing. The only thing you want is what you go for. It's very important, and it should be a conversation as a people. What do we need? What do we want? And we'll go for that. And you don't have the right to criticize anybody for not believing in your perspective or your view or seeing things from your angle. You only talk to them and try as much as possible to get a superior argument and then get them to do the things you want them to do. And we'll see if we'll get the network to do better next time. It's an incredible studio. It is an incredible place. The only thing lacking at this point is connectivity. MTN is not working. Airtel as well has been terrible. We've tried to switch. We've tried to improvise. We've done everything humanly possible, but it is still not working. Where are you watching from? Write in the comment section. Those in Costa Mesa, California. Those watching from Oakland, California. Those in San Diego, California. Those in Sacramento, California. Those in LA, California. Those in Houston. Those in Austin. Those in Dallas. Those in San Antonio, Texas. Those in Düsseldorf, Germany. Those in Cologne. Those in Darmstadt. Those in Ingolstadt. Those in Stuttgart. Those of us watching from Berlin, Germany. Those in Girls and Kitchen area. Those in Boston, Massachusetts, USA. Those in Phoenix, Arizona. Those of us watching from Indianapolis, those watching from Cincinnati, Ohio, write at the comment section and tell us where you are watching from. So thank you very, very much. I'm going to see all of us very, very soon. Thank you and God bless.
Oye minister, it's your radio. Oye minister, can you get them on somewhere? For both the university, yeah, go man, are you money? About one hour.